Guys, you can speak. Isn't no one interested? Like, ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿ, ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಲಿ. One thing that I would say you guys is don't wait for someone to start. If they start, they may not end. So start all by yourself. Or else you can, better thing is if you can't speak at the present, you will surely have mock interviews and GDs which I will conduct for sure. It's not for me to know someone, but it is all about your interest. Like, I want to make you guys feel good and better in the ITs. That's it. So you can just pin your name, branch and college in the chat box. As quick as possible, we would start within 1 to 2 minutes. So guys, please do it quick. Let me see how many response we get. Everyone, is my voice audible rather than Rakshat? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಅದನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ.
Yes, sir.
One second, guys. Please don't call me sir. Basically, I am a final year student. I may train you, but don't call me sir, because I am the person who is just 1 or 2 years older than you. Okay. Jeevan Kumar HP from RNSIT. Hi, Jeevan. We have one person responding. I guess everyone could respond. Okay, Praveen Kumar from BIT Davangere. Basically, guys, just EC branch EIT. Hi, Nikita. You just also just send where are you from. Basically, which places are you from? Swati D from EIT CSE. Okay, we have AIT Hassan Bangalore. Yeah. Come on. Everyone from Artificial Intelligence of Technology. I mean, Artificial Intelligence of Technology. Chitradurga, very good. NRpura. Koppa NRpura. History from ECIT. Aeronautical ACS. Oh, we have someone from Aeronautical Engineering as well. Great. JP Nagar. Okay, from Bangalore. Is that JP Nagar from Bangalore, Punit? There are many JP Nagars. Is that Bangalore? Vishnath from BIT Davangere. Sringeri. Is this Sringeri or Sringeri? Bangalore JP Nagar. Okay, thank you. Guys, one thing I would do is I would make this session not a one way but a two way as well, so that you could also interact with me. It would be better. And you can, the two things to add, you can stop me anywhere if you don't get the topics. Point number 1. And the point number 2 is I'll be sending the problems for you after my session so that you guys can solve it. I may or may not send the answer code, but I will just give a glance of the answers for this question in the next classes. If I do today's direction sense, when I go to the next day, I will, for the first part, I will just clear all the answers for the direction sense. If you have any doubts, you can just pin me a message as well, so that I could explain you there too, or else I will explain in the next class tomorrow. Okay, Bangalore, JP Nagar, I have many messages. Akshata from EIT Chikmagalur, from EIT, ECIT, Aeronautical Engineering, Mangalore, Swati BM, Tudubarkonde, Santosh from BIT Davangere, HS Darshini from ISC Chikmagalur, Lavanya KJ, AIT, okay, AIT. So we have many AITians. Happy to see that. Rakshat, I'm very sad that I can't see anyone from mechanical rather than you.
Hey, no. They are there.
Okay.
Veena
Okay.
and
No.
Nikhil.
Okay. Nikhil is from. Okay. Veena and Nikhil. I thought many from AIT with civil and mechanical would join. Okay, but we have someone else. Many of them are interested. Basically, we have 65. Santosh BIT Davangere, Lavanya KG, Baijan, JMIT Chitradurga, mechanical. Wow, I can see mechanical. Now our friends are replying mechanical or namu idivi. Okay, I'm happy. I'm not just like non-IT, non-mechanical, and I will not support only mechanicals. For me, everyone are same. So we have 65. Rakshat, I guess we can start. Basically, guys. Do we have to wait for
before that, I would like to
Okay.
say a few words.
Sure.
So this initiation is brought by Karthik as a representative of TechWitNEC. What I would like to say is this is free, but still it is not a free of cost. So what do you have to pay? Your time and consistency and practice. This is all you have to pay for us, and the result will be yours. This is the fees we expect from you. I guess we are on the same line, Karthik.
Yeah, sure. As he said, yeah, no fees, but giving your time, making the time of 1 hour to be precious for you, and using this in wherever you need. And the thing which you guys can pay to us is the thanks. Like whenever you get placed, you can just remember the team Tech with Mech and Karthikeya as well, if you want. Or else, ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ thanks ಹೇಳಿ. Even that's not a problem because I am happy all by myself. I don't do it for some my happiness. I really want you guys to be like there are if you as you have lockdowns right now, your college is still yet to open. So you might have that gap between the aptitude as well as the placement, which is very near to you. You have TCS, which will be opening from September, October. Further on for ECs, there might be a gap for mechanical, but I don't think for other colleges will they call mechanical companies, core companies or colleges or not, or else everything is great. So you'll be having many companies coming on, and I can see many one from third year as well as second year. So it's very great to see second years as well. So not wasting much time, we would start the thing from tomorrow onwards. I will not be just like taking this much of time to start. Instead I will be beginning from 6:05, but today as it was the introduction part, I did these things. So Rakshat, is the screen visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay guys, so welcome to this session, the day one of the boot camp of aptitude mania. My name is Karthikeya. As you all guys know, I have taken the webinar 2 days back, 1 day back I guess, I'm sorry. And the topics that I have sent to you is the whole syllabus. This is the syllabus. I will be taking it just for 10 days. After that I may continue as I have my exams in the last weeks, as well as my TCS trainings. I have planned a 10-day schedule just for make you guys boost up and don't leave behind. So let's start. The first part, I will be completing max to max the logical, which are mainly asked in TCS as Infosys as well. There are some questions from Accenture and some from the government exams too. One thing I would like to add is, guys, if you solve the questions, aptitude questions of government exams, and if you feel like I am good with the questions of the government exams, I bet you the aptitude of placements will be goddamn it easy. So there are some questions from the government exams as well. So beginning with the topic, today I will be taking direction sense. Direction sense, whenever we go to direction sense, the things which get covered is the different directions that you know. The main directions that you know are northeast, south and west, and there are some sub directions called as northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. So basically there are some people who might have a confusion. ಈಗ north ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, east ಎಲ್ಲಿ, south ಎಲ್ಲಿ, west ಎಲ್ಲಿ, when we represent something, how would we show that, right? So basically how would you remember is this: remember a clock. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಡಿಯಾರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, your watches, you might have seen there will be numbers, right? 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can just remember 12 as north, the 3 as the east, the 6 as south and the 9 as the west. Or else if you can create a word using NESW, ನನಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. In case if you want a comedy thing, N is ನನಗೆ, E is ಇವತ್ತು, S is ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, W is ಒದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಒದೆ. So that is NESW for you if you take it in clockwise thing. Now how the clockwise and the anti-clockwise works, many of you might know. If you have any doubts, you can stop me in the middle. You can just, I can't see the messages right now, so you have to just unmute yourself to speak. Or else if you want me to explain in Kannada more than in English, there may be some persons who are from Kannada background, basically ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಕ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅನಿಸಿದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ if the direction moves from up to down, this is clockwise. Okay, I can't just draw it because I'm not using any touchpads. I'm just using it through my mouse. So the clockwise simply means that the direction of the clock movement, it will be 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So movement from movement in the direction of clock will be called as clockwise. Whenever they ask you clockwise, think about the clock. Clockwise is the way in which the clock moves, and the opposite thing will be called as counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. There are two things. They may be either called as counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. It will be opposite to the direction of the clockwise. Now how anti-clockwise will work? If clockwise is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, anti-clockwise will be 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 12. So this is how it works. Basically why I am saying clockwise and anti-clockwise is there are 1 or 2 questions which were asked in Infosys which was very simple, but taking it in a direction always works. Basically they may ask you, imagine you are at one day direction, and if you turn this much of degree clockwise, this much of degree anti-clockwise, where will you face? There will be some mixing. And one more thing is that the angle between all the directions will be equal to 90 degree. So from north to east it is 90. Similarly for east to south, south to west and west to north. And imagine you got any lines here, no matter here or here, these lines will represent northwest. It might not be perfectly 45 degree. It might be in any direction within the north and the west. It will be called as northwest. If it is all straight lines, then it will be called as either north, either west, either east or either south. There are, as I said, there are sub directions, right? Northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಉಡುಪಿ. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಉಡುಪಿ, ಹಾಯ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೂ ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವೈ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಐ ಮೂವ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಸಬ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಥರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳಿರಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಥರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? 3 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಥರ ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, no matter wherever you are facing, the 4 direction will always be in same direction, same location. Andre imagine there will be some problem that you will be asked to turn to the left, turn to the east. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಉದಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೌತ್, ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ರೈಟ್, ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. If you are facing north, east will be to your right. If you are in the left, if you are in the right, east will be the direction where it is. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನರು, I have seen many from my seniors, from my classmates, I have seen this point where they go wrong in this topic. Someone will be like ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಲೈಕ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್. ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ರೈಟಿಗೆ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್, ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. This direction is always constant. You can't change east from this position to this position. East is in the place of east. One more thing, I will come to the point regarding the sunrise and sunset later when I will do the problems. So the point number 2 that you remember is, if any problem related to moving in direction arrives, imagine you moving in that direction. The Karthik A strategy. This is how I work the direction sense problem. Imagine ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. There will be one problem like a person is facing north or walking to the north at the direction of 10 meter. He takes a right, walks to some meter, takes a left, walk to some meter. Instead of taking someone else, you imagine you are standing in a position facing north. You are moving towards north for 10 meter. You are taking right so that you can understand, okay, ನಾನು north ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು right ಅಲ್ಲಿ east ಇದೆ, so I am going towards east now. I am taking right, I am walking 10 meter, okay, ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹೋದೆ. Now I am taking left. For me the left of east is nothing but north, so I am again going towards the direction of north. So if you guys can make it all by yourself, direction sense is simply like eating ಚಪಾತಿ ವಿತ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭ. ಅದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. Direction sense is nothing but having your common sense and feeling the live. Imagine you are going to some 3D pictures, you are watching some 3D views. You feel like you are in that, right? So the same thing you have to do when it is direction senses, when it is blood relations. Even it works in blood relations, that I'll be saying to you later. So if everything is good till now, I will move to the problems. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಷ್ಟರೊಳಗೆ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. You can unmute yourself. You are free. You are very free to ask something. Any guys doubts, guys? I don't want the class to be sleepy like ನಾನು ರಕ್ಷತ್ ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 65 ಜನ. You guys should respond. Okay, is everyone clear?
Yes, Karthik.
Okay, I got one thing. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Then I think I can just move on. If you have any doubt, I am straightforward. You can just unmute yourself and ask me the doubt at the point. It's not at all a problem. I want you guys to take it completely. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ HRD ಮಾಡಲೂಬಹುದು. ಆವಾಗ you guys must be 100% perfect. And one more thing I want you guys is I want you guys to take down the problems. Even if I send you the PDF as well, I want you guys to take down the problem so that you can solve it. Will you take it down, or taking a screenshot, anything is fine for me? Or else can you just keep it in your mind and can I just solve it and then you can do it? Anything is fine. ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಲಾ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊತೀರಾ, ಪಾತ್ ಟು ಪಾತ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈನ್.
ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾ? ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ, ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, we will solve with a simple problem. We will move with the level of complexity. And one thing to say, guys, if you learn all the problems which I have sent to you, if you solve all the problems which I sent to you, and if you complete the whole structured, I mean every topic of logical in a single paper, I will give it to you on Wednesday or something. If you solve it, I bet you are good with logical. ನೀವೇನು ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್. If you are good with all these things by step, I can prove it to you. Okay, now we will solve the problem. The first question goes like, if you go north, okay, you turn right, turn the right again, and then go to the left. In which direction are you? First thing is to do is sort the question part by part. Chalo, ye go gya part 1, idu part 2, idu part 3, konege part 4. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 4 ಮುಗಿಯೋಕ್ಕೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಹೌ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್? ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ವಿತ್ arrow mark. Imagine you are at a point. Let me draw a point at the very first thing. Imagine you are at a point somewhere here. You don't know what you are facing. That doesn't matter what you are facing until they say you that you are facing somewhere and somewhere. Okay, you go north according to the direction. This will be your north, right? Oh, I'm sorry. No, there's sometimes. Okay, just adjust it, guys. Okay, you go to north, right? They have not given you the distance, then it's a easy peasy topic. Next, what did they ask you? You turn right. Now imagine you are at this point facing north. North is like facing straight. Imagine you are facing straight. Now what is the right to you? This one, right? So this is the right of you. Okay, you have taken the right. So part number 1 done, part number 2 done. Then the right again. You have to take the right. Again, this is not the conductor saying right. That is a different right. Now, one thing that is really funny here. To the right again. Okay, I have taken it. Now, what will you do? Like basically now you are in a position facing south, right? Now, do you know you are facing south? Is it clear? Is this point clear? At this point you are, yeah, someone has unmuted. Any problem, guys? Is that clear? You can just share it, not just be like, okay. So at the first thing you go to north, it simply means that you are facing north. Now imagine you are going to your house from school. Where will you be facing? Your home, right? If you are going to your home from school, you are facing your home, right? Imagine your home and school are in same road. You are moving from your school to home, then you must be facing the direction of home. So same, it works the same here. You go north, you are facing the direction of north. You turn right. When you turn right from north, it will be nothing but the east part. So I will explain you in the direction problem itself. Check here. Imagine you are somewhere here. You don't know the point. You are here somewhere. First thing is you take north. You come somewhere out here. You take right. You move towards the east. Now you again take the right. According to the question, you again take the right. Now which direction are you facing? The downward direction. Which is the downward direction? It is the south. I think you guys got until here. So first thing is you go north, then you take right. When you take right, the direction will be east. They have said you to turn right again and then go to the left without giving any angles. They have not said to turn around 35 degrees, 60, 90, 120. So if they don't give you the angles, you have to imagine you have to turn right at an angle of 90 degree. So it will be perfect straight lines. Then you turn right again. You come to this point, somewhere at this point. This do not have any distance. You can pull out as much as you want. You come to this point. Then you again take right. Whenever you take right, you face the downward direction, which is nothing but the south. And finally you go to left. Now I want to ask you guys, which direction will be the left?
East.
Everyone got it? That's right. Your left will be east. Now how does this occur is, I will give you a simple idea how this occurs. Whenever you face upwards, your right will be the right. Whatever you are facing the right will be the right side of yours. But when you are looking at the downward direction, or when you are looking at the south, your right will be your left and your left will be your right. There are some conditions where you do it, right? If you make your friend turn in backwards direction and he is standing in your back, his right would be your left or his left would be your right. Or if he is standing beside you, your right hand would be touching his left hand, right? So this is how it works. If you are facing downwards, the right side of you will be your left side. Everyone is clear with this? If it's right, then we will move to the next thing. So the answer will be east. This is the last part, right? Then go to the left is the last part. In which direction are you now? You are in the east. Guys, if you can't even say that, okay, ನನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ವಾಕ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ತ್. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ನಡೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನಡೆದ್ಗಿಡಿದ್ರ. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸರ್ ಟಿ ಸಿ ಸರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ತಡೀರಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇನ್ವಿಜಿಲೇಟ್ರಿಗೆ ತಡೀರಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡು, ಓಕೆ ನಾರ್ತಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ, ನೀನು ಹಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಪೇಪರ್ನ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ you first and the foremost thing, you walk towards north, you take your right, do these things in your mind that you yourself turn into right and move to some direction. You again turn right and move to some direction. Then you take your left and you move to some direction. Now if you guys didn't get it, please rotate your phone. If you are using your phone or laptop, please rotate it. When you rotate it, this will be simply like your left side. That is, if you are facing in the upper direction, your laptop is tilted, that will be your left side. So the final answer which you will be getting is east. Is everything clear? I will be asking everything is clear. Please respond quick because we have very less time. I have just planned it for 1
Yes,
hour.
Yes.
Thank
It's clear.
Can I move? I can move, right?
Take a move.
Okay, thank you. Next thing. Even this is one. Okay, not a problem. Now, one thing you guys remember is there will be some names. Instead, let it be some name. Imagine you as that person. If it's Radha, I will imagine myself as Karthik. If it is Rakshat, you will remember is as Rakshat. If it's Veena, you remember yourself as Veena in this point. If it's Radha, you just take yourself. Okay, I am Radha at this time. I will do all these processes which is in the question, so that I could know what the thing really is going on. Now we will start. This is a problem where the distance is also given along with the direction. They have completely given the directions here, like in which direction you will move and with what distance. There are some persons who will do a small mistakes in this to take all the problem downwards, so that you may not get the answer. So let's begin. Radha moves towards southeast at a distance of 7 kilometers. Okay, now what will be the direction of southeast? We will draw a small ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದೈತಿಂತೀನಿ. It is northeast, west, south. Yeah, perfect. Okay, this will be north. And west. Now I would like to add 4 more directions here. This will be the northwest. This will be your northeast. The direction which comes between north and east is called as northeast. The direction which comes between north and west is northwest. Many of you may have this idea, but it's my work to show this to everyone so that everyone could get it. Sure. Now if I go on doing this, I might need 2 hours a day and you guys will kill me. 7 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ. I am leaving all my schedule to teach you guys, so be like show your huge amount of interest here. Okay, so I have done the diagram. So let us imagine that girl or someone, imagine if it's you, you are always at this point at the very beginning. Don't move from this position no matter whatever happens. Imagine Radha moves towards southeast direction at a distance of 7 kilometers. Now I won't draw in this diagram, instead I will be using a place at the side. Now how much did she move? 7 kilometers, right? In which direction? Southeast. So is my diagram perfect? Is this the
It's perfect.
Oh, thank you. So it's southeast, right? So she is moving 7 kilometers towards southeast as the very first part. Then she moves towards west. One thing I would like to add here, guys. Now even as I said before, even you take any directions, the direction towards west will always be same. So west is always to the this point. No matter, just go through this. If you are at this point, imagine you are at this point in the southeast, the west will be the same, right? Now you can't just pull it like this. There are some students who will do like, okay, ಇದು southeast ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. No, the whole part, the whole horizontal or the vertical part which you have is west here. If it is moving in a straight path, if it has given you an angle, it may change. Whenever they give you angle, they won't give you the directions. They will just initialize the direction at the very beginning. The question will be like, just I will just give you a glance of that question. Like imagine a person is facing north. He takes he will move in a distance of 7 kilometers to anti-clockwise at an angle of 105 degree or something. So at the very beginning they will initialize you the direction, but not after that process. So this is what is it works. If it is in southeast direction, don't go with the angles. You just feel that okay, southeast andre ee kelage, west andre ee kade left ige. These should be the direction movements. You can't change the angles of this. As I am saying, this is always constant. You may feel like okay, illinda illige southeast, illinda straight helakku southwest bantala, west yakalla anta. So whenever if you move here to here, this will be your initial position, right? After moving for a distance of 7 kilometers. I mean not the first one. After you move to a part, that will be your position, right? Don't consider the position in terms of the direction. Consider the position in terms of where you should move. For this point, this is the west. You are getting it right? Any problem, you can just stop me, you can ask me. Are you getting it, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
If any doubt, you can please stop me. Like, don't pull it till the last minute saying that I have a doubt. Okay. She moves towards west and travels a distance of 14 meter. Now she is in the direction of west, facing 14 meters. Now, even in this position, the north will be at the upper part, south will be at the downward part, east will be at the right, and west will be at the left. And the remaining will always be the same. It is regarding at what point she is rather than in which direction she is. Next, she western travels distance of 14 meter ho gaya. Next, from here she moves towards northwest a distance of 7 meters. Now from here she moves towards northwest. Now west doesn't mean that she is this point either end either mungade ಏನು this is not a sea and this is not a land here. So it works like this. She walks towards northwest. Every time you take a point where you end, you start from the point which you have in this image. Every time you come somewhere, you have to imagine you are at the center itself. Next, northwest distance of 7 meters. Okay, done. Finally, she moves at a distance of 4 meters towards the east. Imagine she is moving around 4 meters towards the east. You got this one, right? So the question is, and stood at that point. She is finally at this point. Let us not just make it. Let's just make it stop here. 1 second. I think this 4 meter is not visible. Okay. Now she is in this point. Now the question is, how far is she from the starting point where she stood? Now how you guys would do it? Do you know how to solve this? Let us make it straight and straight, because as these two sides are equal.
Parallelogram.
Yeah, you are right. It's a parallelogram. I'm sorry for the line, or else wait a second, I will just use this. You got these things right? I'll be just using the shapes, lines, so that it could be good for you guys. If I use these images, it will be okay. At the very first point she took a 7 meter, then she took a 14 meter, then again she took a 7 meter. No matter. If the parallelogram is wrong, please pardon me. I think I could draw something from the other shapes, but okay. Hakuna Matata. No worries. So 7, it's 14, it's 7 and 4. Okay, you have a part of parallelogram where you don't know, at the very beginning you don't know this distance, right? You need this distance. This is very simple. If you guys can say this is a, how many of you knew that this will be a parallelogram basically? If you guys know this as a parallelogram, your answer is very easy. You can just see, you can see the answer. Everyone got it as 10. Why it is 10? Yes. These two sides are equal because it's 7 and 7. If it's a parallelogram, it's 14. It should be a 14. Now how can you say it's a parallelogram? It's very easy. The opposite sides are equal. Point number 1. And whenever they don't give you the angle, this angle will be equal to 135 degree. This is 135 and this will also be equal to 135, because they have not given you the angles, but they have perfectly said you the directions, right? Northwest or southeast, anything like such. And they are given you this part, you have asked to find the other part, so the answer will be 10. Any doubts in this question, you guys can ask me.
One is 7 kilometer and other one is 7 meter.
Okay, I'm sorry, the question is wrong. Thank you. I don't know who asked this. I'm sorry. They won't ask you like kilometers and meters in directions. If it was my problem, just I typed it wrong. Pardon for the mistake. Okay. Now any doubts in this problem? We should move it very quick. So if you have no doubts, if you have doubts, you can ask it. Anyone, anywhere? You have the doubts, guys? Please ask. Don't just be silent. Even I could not know whether you got the answer or not.
No.
Okay, can I move further?
No.
No. No, can I?
Okay, you can move further.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you can.
Thank you, Vajan. Okay, next. Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry with the text underlines. Urgent, I should do everything. Okay. Now I think you guys should do this. Just try it out. Even I don't know the answers for sure. I don't by heart everything when I come to this place. I just remember everything. You guys just try this one. Be quick. If I say everyone, then it's everyone. Even from the team of Tech with Meg should do this. Because they are from the year of third year, right?
Northwest.
Now we have an answer called as Northwest. Let's wait for someone to answer. Let's see whether it's correct or not. Even I don't know the answer. Pardon me.
Northeast.
Northeast.
Okay, we have Northeast.
Northeast.
Okay. There's a house. So you got some diagram like this? Southeast direction, finally. So what is the answer?
Northeast.
Now the person who got it as Northwest, did you get it how it is Northeast? Gottaitana? Why it is Northeast? If it's yes, I will continue, or else I need to explain, I guess. Boys, I don't have any sound from the boys. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನ್ರಪ್ಪ ಹುಡುಗ್ರ?
Yes.
ಮಿಂಚ್ಬೇಕಂಡ್ರ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹುಡುಗಿರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? Girls are booming. I have seen basically in the year 2021, if I say the amount percentage of boys and girls getting placed in different companies, rather other from the branches, I would say it would be around 70 to 30%. 70% of the persons getting placed are girls, but 30% are boys. But I am happy to say that the person who got higher salary is from boys side. Akash Meshiganjal, you may know it. His final year of CS got placed in Morgan Stanley at a salary of 7 lakh. In 2 to 3 years, he will get a salary package of 11 lakhs. It has an increment. So I want our IT guys to do this, because you can ask guidance from him. He's in LinkedIn as well, so he'll give you a beautiful guidance. A wonderful person who will share everything, his experience in a very good way. So do share him. That is the highest salary package that you can get. You have Amazon SD1, software development engineering 1, which gives you a salary package of 31 lakhs per annum. Before or after TCS, there will be a company called as JustPay. They will be hiring BE BTech. The coding round will be maybe a hard level or intermediate level as well. Their salary package is around 14 to 15 lakhs. I guess in this year to 2021, no one might have got placed in JSP. I'm not sure. So there are many companies. You don't feel like company illa anta, but that preparation that which you need, you have to do it. Okay na? Got everything gottaita mundogana? Like guys, can you understand my Kannada, because now Udupi Kannada is different from Chikmagalur or Davanagere or Chitradurga. So can we move forward?
Yeah.
I can hear very less sounds. I have 69% in the room, persons in the room, and ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 6 to 7 in 69. ನಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೇನ್ರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಲಾಲಿ ಹಾಡ್ಲಾ I want this interactive because the more it is interactive the more we can learn. I don't like get something, it's all you who will get something, because HRD guys won't train you like this. They won't be like doing everything. They'll be like giving a problem, make you to solve, then they will speak for 1 minute, ha ha ha, then they will solve 5 to 6, they will leave. They won't care whether you get a job or not. So I don't see any branches. I want everyone to get placed. That's it. Chalo, we'll move to the next question. This is somewhat different. I guess even you can turning left covered. There is a small difference from the other problems here. What happens is, in this problem you have the direction as well as the left right concept too. What I mean to say is, you have something which has west and east as well as something which is left and left too. It is not like only the directions are given, like basically the main directions, 4 main directions are given, but there are something which does not show you the direction as well. You have to find what it is. So I will solve this one kind of question. You may have some other kind of questions in the next problems too. I don't know about it. So I will solve it. So I will start. Okay, Lakshman went 15 kilometers to the west. As I always say, start from an initial point, walk for 15 kilometers. Now 15 kilometers ಇದೆ, ಅವನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಡೀತಾನೆ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದಟ್. ಹೆಂಗೋ ನಡೀತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ, ನಡೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ನಡೀತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು, ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಡೀತಾನೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ವಾಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ವಿಶ್. Then turns left and walks 20 kilometers. Now guys, turning left will be towards the downward direction. Okay na? Anyone have any doubt why downward direction? You can ask me. Whenever you are facing right and when you are facing upside direction, or when you are facing north and when you are facing east, your right side will be your right side, your left side will be your left side. But when you are facing south and when you are facing west, your right, no, wait a second. It works for east, west and north, but not for the south. So imagine you are facing west direction and you want to take a left. So this is the left direction that you will move. So any doubts till point? Now what is the direction given? And walks 20 kilometers, right? Okay. Now what you guys need to do, I have very less space here. Don't write the distance of the line 15 and 20 as the same, or make the distance of 20 smaller than that of 15. Instead do it somewhat larger. As I have very ample space, I do it as short one, but you guys need to do it somewhat larger. Okay, I will try to do it larger as well. If I had a touchpad like the Unacademy people does, it would be even better, but I am not from Unacademy. Not a problem. So this is 15, this is 20. Next thing is, then he turned east and walks 25 kilometers. Now turning east is simply but 1 second. Amma ನಿಧಾನ ಮಾತಾಡೆ ಮರತೆ. Sorry guys, some glitches in my home. Okay, then he turned east and walked 25 kilometers. Now when it comes to east, guys, don't think that rightig barata leftig barata. Whenever it is east, it should be right. Any doubts till this point? Stop me if you have any doubts. Please don't hesitate. ಅಥವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದಾರು ಚುರುಕಾಗಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿ ಅಟೆಂಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೆಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಇಟ್. ಈಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಕ್ 25 kilometers, sorry, it's not club here, you need to club it here, and finally walks down cover 20 kilometers. Okay, it's fine. Now you are at the position of east, you walk.
10 sir.
Pardon?
10 is on sir, 10 kilometers.
But the answer?
Answer.
Okay, wait a second. I will just solve it so that even others could learn. If you get it, then it's great. Let me check. Okay, then finally, turning left and cover 20 kilometers. Now you guys could say it very easily. Now, what is the distance between the initial point and the final point?
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers.
You got the clarity, right? Anyone with any doubt, please don't hesitate. Don't wait till end. Please ask me. The direction between this and this are same. These will be the type of questions asked, guys. There is nothing, something like ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, nothing like such. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್. You might have in the exams, right? ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬೆಕ್ಕಿನ ಮರಿ ಥರ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈನೋಸಾರ್ ಥರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. That won't work here. That won't work in logical part. The thing which you learn here, the same thing will be asked there. So nothing to fear about the top. So if it is 20 and this direction is also 20, then this direction is 25, the remaining should be 25. We already have 15, so the remaining thing is 10. Everyone got this answer? No, yes sir. Okay, 1 yes. I want at least 5 to 6 yeses. Okay, 2 yes.
Okay.
Okay, is 3 yes.
There were few friends who already texted their answer 4 minutes ago.
Let's take it CS. Okay. Next one. Let me check, guys. If you can solve it, I won't do it, or else I will solve it. Just check, can you do it? I will just check whether you have that basic common senses. This is the question which has not have been asked in any placement drive till date, but it has been asked in the government exams. If you can try it, it's well and good. Not just like ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ, don't do that. Instead, try it. How you should try it is, you just take a straight line and mark the points from the very beginning. You guys can try. If you know it, you can just see the question and solve. I will be doing just, if someone cannot do it, I will be giving you 1 minute of time. No, or else you guys do it by yourself. The persons who cannot do it, just see here. Anything is fine. The question asked is, there are 7 villages A, B, C, D, E, F and G. There are 7 villages which are situated as follows. Now what they have asked is, E is 2 km to the west of B. So now whenever they ask you such things and you have some 6 different conditions, check whether E and B comes in some other places. Is there in any other places E and B is present? So what it is asked, D is exactly in the middle of B and D. So this is the other condition between B and D. So we can just place any places called as B, no matter in any part of the line, but don't draw it in the corners, because you know that there is some place which is located to the west of B as well. So don't write it in corner. If you write it in corner, there will be no places for E. B will be the left corner. So imagine this village called as village B. Now what is the question asked? E is 2 km to the west of B. Now no matter wherever you are facing, your west will be always at this part. This is your so called E. Now how much distance is between B and E? Distance between B and E is 2 kilometers. I won't write km, it will be as km. Then straightly move to the point D. D is exactly in the middle of B and D. So if the distance between B and D is 2 km, what is the distance between B and D? Anyone could say it?
1 kilometer.
Yes,
1.
yes. The distance between D and B will also be 1. Distance between E and D will also be 1. As it is exactly between E and B, you can just split the distance between E and B as 2 parts. So divide 2 by 2, you will be getting 1 as the answer. So distance between E and D is 1. D and B is also 1. So any glitches in my drawings, like can you understand it, or do I need to do it something better? You can just say it to me, because I am just using my touchpad the mouse pad to work it. So if you want me to do it better, I should try something else. Okay, fine. If you need it, you can just say me at the last. Now do we have any other relations related to B and D? I guess everything is completed. You have finished this statement, you have finished this statement. Any statement related to B and E, not D. B and D, any statements are left? No, right? Okay, next we'll be moving with the statement where D is located. D. Okay, there is a equation, statement where D is located. What is the question? What is the thing that is given? D is 2 km to the south of G. Now which direction do south come? Now which direction will the south come? Downwards, right? Now I want you guys to answer this question. Can I draw these diagrams on a straight line? Yes or no? Can I draw these all diagrams in a straight line? Like a single line, a single row?
No, you can't.
So the thing is that you can't draw any direction problems in a single line. So instead what you guys do is you just take a line which should represent some of the places, so that you can just use other lines to join these things. So imagine this point as B, this as D, this as E. You know the distances, right? So I will just go with the distances too. This is E, this is D, this is B. So it's already been an hour. If you guys are free, I can continue, or else it's up to you guys. So I think I should extend the time limits. Okay, not a problem. Let's see what happens. Next, now what is asked? D is 2 km to the south of G. Now D is present at the south of G. This is the thing which we should do. Most of the guys, what they do wrong is they feel that E is to the south of G. They draw this line, they draw south, and they draw G, and they will write 2 here. Ever do this nonsense mistakes in your life, because D is 2 km to the south of G. So G is at the top. In the south of G you have a village called as D. So take this as G, and this is around 2 kilometers. You got it? Any doubts till now? You can ask. Be quick. Only once. Okay, you have the answers in the chat box. Rakshit, if any questions, like if they have any doubts which are mentioned in the chat box, please ask.
Yeah, I will bring to your notice.
Okay, sure. Next, okay, we have completed the D and G relation now. Next, we have to see whether we have something related to G. Yes, we have here. G is 2 km to the east of C. As more diagrams you draw, as more the complexes. Now, D is located to the east of C. So, to the east of C, there lies a place called as G. What is the distance? 2. Guys, your procedures, they won't see any of your procedures, no matter how matters you draw it. It is just your sense that you feel like, okay, ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, you need this. They won't see the procedures and give you marks like they do in your engineering subjects. It's completely wrong concept. So only answers matters, not the procedure. So G is 2 km to the east of C. This is the east direction. I think everyone know the basics, so that I need not go back to the basics as well. So this statement is also finished. Now one more funny thing comes here. The relation between C and A is given. C is 1 km to the west of A. Now which direction is west? This is west, right? So if this is west, and if it is given C is 1 km to the west of A, I should write this condition somewhere in this part, right? Am I right? Or any doubts in here?
Yes.
Any doubts, guys? Any glitches? You can ask me. It is given C is 1 km to the west of A. I will draw it somewhere here, but is the line perfect here? Like, is C 1 km to the west of A is right or wrong? Right. Thank you. So it means that A will be locating somewhere between C and G, because you can't write, if you have a village here, you can't just write west like this, or you can't draw west like this. West should be perfectly straight. Village cannot be moving, as I say, if it is west, you should draw a straight line. It doesn't mean that you can change the position of the village. You can't bring C here saying that okay, illinda illige 1 kilometer illi A ide. You can't do it. This will be the northwest direction, not the west direction. So if it is asked west, it should be on the CG line. So what is the distance between C and A? 1 kilometer, right? So this is your A. Now instead of going to the next part, that is the distance between F and A, see the question. What is the question? A is in the middle of which two cities? Now what is the answer?
C and G.
Yeah, everyone got it? Good. The one who answered is good. That's correct. Anyone who have a doubt till now? If any doubt, you can just unmute yourself and ask. If it's boring, tell me. I will make it somewhat entertainment as well. You can even say that this is a very friendly one. As I have sent you the PDF, it is a very friendly interaction. Even I am from mechanical, I know how to be friendly basically. And I could make fun too. I am a very good joke cracker. Okay. Any doubts till now, guys? Everything is fine, so that I could move further, or you guys need a break of 1 to 2 minutes? You can just take it. We still have only 3 problems left, or else we could finish all the 3 and speak later. Anything is fine. It's already 7 now. We'll be doing it quick and quicker now, because the last 2 will be solved by you. Only the 6th one will be solved by me. Any doubts till now? If it's no, you can say no. Rakshat, is anyone asking doubts in the poll? Do I need to come back to the poll? Everything is fine. Okay, everyone is asking the answer. Even Rakshat is replying in the comment box rather than answering. Wow, Rakshat, you have developed so great. That's fine. Guys, you can answer. Don't be hesitate like senior tappadre enagutte. Until you go wrong, you cannot be right anytime. You should know what is wrong, so that you could just learn what is right. So okay, all ECCS, IS, mechanical, civilians, and anyone left, and triple-Is. We'll move to the next problem. This is the type 2 of the direction sense thing. Okay. Now what is this is? This is very easy. I said you I will be taking one more topic whenever the problem comes in this. There was something which I wrote as sunrise, sunset. Anyone know this concept idea till now? Like anyone have gone through direction sense before my classes and felt that okay, ಇಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ ಎನಿವನ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಚ್, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಮುಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ರಾಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಟು ಡು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಸಫರ್ಡ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ಸ್. Don't just feel worried, okay, placement bantu agala. Should enjoy everything. Enjoy every pain. When you enjoy every pain and you don't cry and you laugh at everyone, I mean, you laugh at your pain, then you are the most courageous person in this world. I did this. I had many pain in my life. I'm very sad. I was very sad at one time. No, I'm back. Not a problem. No, I'm a happy guy. Okay. Chalo. So, as you guys know, sun rises in at the morning. Sun rise in
East.
Okay. We have those persons who say east. We have some more persons who are like ಏನಾರು 2021 sunrise change ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. Whatever happens, sun will rise at east in the morning. Sun will set at west in the evening time. If you guys have this common logic sense, the question which I have just raised will be easy peasy for you. See here. Now, one common logic that I should add, I need to add a text here. Is that text visible, or do I need to make it somewhat more like bold or something? Visible?
Yeah, visible.
Okay, fine, thank you. Imagine guys, morning, we will take a condition for morning. In the morning the sunrise will be at east, right? Sunrise will be at east, you know that. Now what happens is, imagine I will be drawing you that 4 lines as well, because it will be somewhat tougher if you won't get it. Sorry for the diagram if it's wrong. Give me a sunshine, give me some rain. Oh, sun has become oval. What is the shape of the sun? Anyone knows? No. What is the shape of the sun?
Sun.
Sun. Circle. Are you sure is the shape of the sun is circle?
Sphere.
Sphere. We have one who says it's sphere. Basically the shape of sun is very close to circle as well as sphere. It is intermediate between the circle and the sphere. We cannot just completely say it's a sphere, or we cannot say it's completely a circle. So okay, this is the morning time, right? Now what happens is, I will give you some condition. Sun will rise at east, as you guys know. In most of this is the question which is asked around in 1 of 10 papers, right? What is the problem with the text? Okay, I have to make this off. यार काम कर जाओ. Why is this not working? I need to manage it with this or shit. No matter. कोई भी पेन हो. चलो. Imagine this is east. Not imagine, this is east, north, south, west. Anyone can say what did I say for NESW to remember rather than clockwise? Let me see how many are very attentive and want fun classes. Anyone can say what did I say to remember NESW rather than imagining it as clock? No one, I guess. Anyone?
ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಓದೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾವ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಮಗ ನೀನು?
ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್.
I know this. So I asked you the branch. Thank you. ನಂಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಓದೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. So this is how you remember. Then don't write it on the paper. How do you remember? ನಂಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಓದೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. Told by Karthike, associate system engineer at TCS. Don't do that. Okay, chalo. Now the sun rises in the east, as you know. Now one common thing is that imagine. Now the thing which comes is that is imagination. In the morning time, why is this not moving here? Okay, can I just drag this somewhere? Yeah, thank you. In the morning time, whenever you face east direction. Now imagine you are facing east direction in the morning. Imagine you are facing to the sun. Where will be your shadow? Will it be in front of you, behind you, left of you, or right of you? Just imagine you are facing the sun. So everyone knows this. Your reflection, your shadow will be behind you. And this is only in the morning condition. And when you are facing west, it will be in front of you. You know how this works? I will tell you how this works. Now imagine a person. Let's imagine the person who said Nani was Sakatavade Tintini, a mechanical engineer. He is standing somewhere here. Let's imagine he is facing, his eyes is towards east direction. ತೆಳ್ಳಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಡು, ತುಂಬ ತೆಳ್ಳಗೆ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ. This is the sun. Okay, Now if you are facing east direction, there will be the sun rays which will be falling on you, makes your reflection fall on somewhere this part. So if you are facing east direction, this will be your back, right? I mean the behind of you. So if you are facing in the east direction, your reflection will be behind you. Or if you are facing in the, imagine now you are facing in the west direction, so the reflection will be in front of you. Now if I ask you, you are facing in the north direction. Now can anyone tell, except Rakshat, can anyone tell where is this his shadow is falling?
Left
Left.
side.
He is falling in north. Where will be his shadow falling? Yes, it's right. It's left side. Everyone got it? Because wherever you stand in the morning, the image will be, imagine the image or your reflection will be in the west. No matter wherever you face, if you are facing north, the west will be your left side. If you are facing south, it will be in the
Right side.
yes. If you guys get this topic right, then boom. Sorry, I have written boom. It's the right side. And this thing works vice versa for sunset. Now in sunset, where the sun will be in the west direction, when you face east direction, when you are facing the east direction, your reflection will be in front of you. When you are facing in the west direction, the reflection will be back to you. When you are facing north, the reflection will be at the right of you, and when you are facing south, the reflection will be at the left of you. This condition occur in the evening time. You got this point clear? Everyone got this point clear? No sounds?
Yes.
Okay, I got one sound. Others, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, two sounds.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I can see yes, south. Fine. Okay, I can see south in the left direction, north in the, I mean when I am facing north, I can see my reflection in the right. When I am facing south, I can see my reflection in the left, and vice versa for the other things, for the morning and the evening part. You got this point, right? Now let's come to the problem. Let's erase this person. I'm sorry, I need to draw this line back. Okay, now imagine, what is the question basically? One morning after sunrise. So this problem works only for the sunrise, is nothing but morning, right? Now it's not Nescafe sunrise coffee that you drink. This is the morning sunrise. Okay, one morning after sunrise, Gopal was standing facing a pole. I don't know why he was standing. Don't ask me why he was standing, because we have some mechanical engineers in the room. They are very naughty guys, because I know our mechanicals. I know even ECCS are also naughty. They won't show it to everyone. Fine. One morning after sunrise, Gopal was standing facing a pole. Imagine there was a pole somewhere, and there was this person. I won't draw the person until I know the question. The shadow of the pole fell exactly to his right. Okay, now they are not asking Gopal's shadow. Instead, they are asking the shadow of the pole. Now, whenever they ask the shadow of the pole, we should check in which direction is the shadow according to Gopal, so that in which direction is he facing. Now whenever he is standing facing the pole, he is facing the pole now. I don't know whether he is facing through in this way or in this manner, or from north or from south. I don't know where the pole is or where the person is at the very beginning. Now we need not go to solve this problem. Instead, we can just look at this thing and say the answer. If Gopal can see a mirror image of if Gopal can see the shadow of an object to his right in the morning, in which direction is he facing? According to this, did you guys get it? I think everyone are in a dilemma of getting the answer. No, I will say it to you again. No matter whatever the object may be, it is all depend on the person who is watching the object. If the object is falling to his object's reflection is falling to his right, or the object shadow is falling to his right, you guys should take it as his reflection falling to his right. You have to think in that way. Is that fine? Now you got the logic? Or wait until I solve it. Wait a minute. I know you guys are in a dilemma. Let me solve it using the graph. One morning after sunshine, Gopal was standing facing a pole. The shadow of the pole fell exactly to his right. So, if the shadow of the pole is falling exactly to his right, which direction was he facing? Exactly to his right. Okay, if in the morning the sun will be around here, imagine a pole. How could I draw the pole? Imagine a pole is out here. Don't know in which direction the pole is. Whenever, okay, let me just wait. Whenever sun rays fall, the pole is, I'm sorry, not the pole is, the pole fall on the pole, the reflection will be around this, on the west side, right? You guys know till this point? On the morning, whenever any sunlight, I mean any sunrise falls on any object, that reflection will be on the west. Is that right for you? Why is this no sound anywhere? Is my voice audible?
Yes.
Yes.
If you have any doubt, no, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Don't just like feel shy or something. So whenever there is an object in the morning, whenever a ray of light falls on you, your image, I mean, or your shadow will be on the west. So imagine there is a pole and shadow is falling on the west right now. Now, as you guys know, both are facing. Now Gopal is facing a pole, right? Now whenever if he is facing the pole, it should be either, if the pole is at east, the Gopal should be at west, because they are facing each other. Or if the pole is at west and Gopal is at east, those are two conditions. Or else if the pole is at north and Gopal is at south, I mean Gopal is facing south, pole is at north direction for him, or pole is at south and he is facing north direction. These are the different conditions which follow. That simply means that both are facing each other. Now, what is that condition in which he can see the reflection of the pole at the right side? Now, what is the right of a direction which shows to the west? Which direction will show you the right as west? Is that north or south? It cannot be east and west, because if it is east and west, either the shadow should be in front of you or back of you. Now the condition is either west of you or right of you, right? So it cannot be east and west. You can simply like remove this out whenever it comes as right or west. So you guys have to think whether it is south or north. Now now the question, just before answering, maybe the answer is south, I don't know. Thank you for answering. Before answering, think that the image of the pole is at right of Gopal. So you should say which direction is Gopal facing, not the pole facing. So one person said the answer is south. Let's check. Imagine this person is Gopal. This is Gopal facing south, and during the sunrise, when it is south, it will be falling in the west direction as well. Now you cannot take southwest here. Whenever the problems comes as sunrise and sunset, there will be very rare time where you will be asked as southeast, southwest and all. That is very like 1 in 1000 cases or 10,000 cases, or else you will be having just northeast, west and south. So if the image is falling to the right of Gopal, Gopal should be facing which direction? Now if Gopal faces south and the post image is this side, and whenever Gopal is facing south, his right would be west, right? Did you get it, or did you have any confusion? I feel that my answering is making you somewhat get confused. Now I will come with it again. Very sorry, I just bluffered in the middle because of some network issues. Why is this guy calling me? Not interested in answering, I'm sorry. So basically I will come with it again, guys. Very sorry, very sorry for this. Okay. Imagine you have a sun in the morning. Let's be very quick and quick. Whenever you get a reflection in front of you or back of you, that simply means you are either in east or west. Now this is not the condition where you are at east or west, because that a pole and a person is facing each other, and the reflection which he is getting it is at right side, so it cannot be east or west. If it is front of him or back of him, you can just think of east or west. Now we cannot answer directly whether it is south or north too. So what you should do is you should draw two objects. One is the person, one is the pole. You may not say which is the pole and which is the object. Now when two persons are facing, let's make it straight apart. If two persons are facing, the right of you will be the left of the opposite person you are facing. Am I right? Imagine I am in a video conference and you are facing me. My right will be same as your left, right? Am I right?
Yes.
And my left will be same as your right. Now the Gopal
Yes.
is thank you. Now the Gopal is getting the reflection of the pole in right, which is right, which simply means that the reflection of the pole is falling towards the left according to the pole, not Gopal. For Gopal, if it is right, for pole it should be left, right. In which direction the pole will show its reflection in the left? In north, right? Now you guys got it? Still no replies. If you guys don't know the answer, just say me no so that I could understand. Any doubts? You can answer yes or no.
Oh, it's clear.
Oh, it's clear. Okay, thank you. So according to this, the pole, the image or the reflection of the pole is getting towards the west, the left side. For Gopal, it is falling towards the right side. So the question is, in which direction is Gopal facing, not the pole facing. If the answer was direction in which pole facing, the answer would be north. But the question is, in which direction is the Gopal facing? Wait a second. Am I wrong somewhere? Right of Gopal. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. The answer would be north. I will tell you how. Now, when the sunlight falls on an object, the Gopal will be getting the reflection in the right side, right? Now, if he is facing towards the south, hello, is my sound audible? I got a small.
Yes.
Sorry for the glitch. Now, whenever the sun ray is falling, whenever the sun ray is falling on an object, it will be, the reflection will be in the west, right? Now let's go in this part. The reflection will be in the west for sure in the morning. For any direction in the morning, the reflection will be in the west direction. For which direction of Gopal is west is right? Is this when he is facing south or when he is facing north? Now what does facing means? No matter wherever you stand, you are facing the south direction, means you are facing the downward part. This part is what you face the south direction, and this part what you face at the north direction. Is that clear? So whenever Gopal is facing the south direction, the reflection of the object will be towards his right. He may be at the north, but this facing is towards the south. So the answer will be south. Now you guys got it? You got the clarity. There will be a glitch for you until you draw something and until you feel it. You got this point? You got this problem?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If there is any glitch, please stop me in the middle. Sometimes I will myself feel that okay, these guys couldn't get it. Moving to the next problem, I need you guys to solve it as quick as possible. We have 8 minutes to complete this session. You guys can solve it, I guess. Do it quick.
Southeast.
Okay, we have an answer called as southeast. Good. Anyone with any different answers?
Southeast.
Okay, everyone are good with southeast. Any other answers from someone? Anyone with the answer southwest?
Yes, sir.
You have an answer with the southwest. Can you just tell me how is it southwest? I know someone or the other will get this answer at southwest. Kelapelli, the one who got it as southwest or the other who got it as southwest. Town Q is towards which direction of town A? A in the Q, A in the ನೋಡಿದಾಗ Q ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ Q ಇಂದ A ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಟೌನ್ Q is towards which direction of town A? Which direction of the town? ಈ ಟೌನಿನ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೌನ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಲೈಕ್ ದೆನ್ ಟೌನ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೌನ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ?
Yes.
ಸೊ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರೈಟ್? Now can you just tell me what is any difficulties in learning all these topics till now? You got everything crystal clear? Maybe small glitches because you have not solved it by yourself. Until you solve it, is my teaching thing okay for you? Better than it may not be better than the HRDs because they don't take you the virtual things. I do it everything in virtual. If I do it face to face, it would be even better. Let me see. I think it's not possible to train the students of EIT. Let me check. Even if I join Zestech, by any chances I have an interest of joining Zestech, leaving all these companies because I love training someone. No, if I do it, I will be coming to you in the next year, the final years. So this is the last question, and I feel that instead of making this to solve here, I think you guys can solve it. You guys can solve it later. Can't I just select this thing? I can't do this. Okay, fine. Guys, just take down this question. You just write down this question. You solve it with the remaining questions. I would discuss this problem solution tomorrow. Tomorrow, I guess we'll be having blood relations, if I'm not wrong. Someone has tested me. Hi. No number. Anyone in this room who has tested me hi in WhatsApp? You can speak if you are there. If not, fine. Chalo. Have you guys taken it down? And you guys, after finishing this session, within 2 minutes you'll be getting the problem PDF. You won't have the solutions there. You solve it. We'll discuss it tomorrow. There will be around one problem which is related to the morning and evening concept like this. I'm sorry, I just moved it apart. I'll go back to this. The same question like this, and there are some more questions which at least I think there are around 6 to 7 problems that you guys can solve. I don't want to give such a stress at the very beginning. You guys need to solve daily if you need a good results as well. Don't feel that okay ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕೊನೆ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Don't do it. If you really aim big, you have to work big. See, there was a saying, my sister when I was young, like in my PUC, she said me this line: if you really plan for IITs, if you work really hard for IITs, you will get it. Or else, if you plan for IITs, you will be getting NITKs, not NIE, NITK or NIT Ahmedabad, anything. If you plan for NITKs, you will get top 1 tier colleges like RV or BVB Hubli as well. If you plan for tier 1 colleges, you will be getting these kind of colleges which we are right now. So the thing which I didn't concentrate at that time, But I want you guys, you are already in some colleges, don't feel that college ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, mainly the non-IT guys. You should simply think that college ಇಂದ the thing which you will get is the education which they will give to you and the certification of degree. That's it. You can't expect anything else from them. No one will come to you and say, okay, ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ನಿನಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. No one will do this. Not even the HRD trainers. They will help you. They will take the sessions whenever they have their schedule off. But no one will just simply guide one-on-one. It is all you who should do whatever you need. I think there are many persons in this room who have not attended my webinar session yesterday. Were you all there in my webinar yesterday? I think many of the ITs were not there. Idrenappa ellaru ninne? Okay.
No.
Before that, have you guys taken on the question? If yes, I will close this screen. I'll come back to the Google Meet screen. I can't copy it, or else I would have just make it.
It's better to take screenshots.
Okay, that's even fine. I can't take screenshot directly. I need to use the ping tool in my system. I will share it to you guys. You don't worry. No need of writing. It doesn't open. Okay, now it's open. And I don't have the options for this one. It's better you guys solve it. So I should stop sharing the screen.